But we recognized we needed to go on the outside. We needed a resource. And really, that's where you and I connected. You connected us with Lance. Lance, I don't think we could have found a better person. Lance is amazing for a lot of reasons.
Yeah.
One is he's an entrepreneur. He's kind of been in the job. He's seen a lot of businesses, but also the way that he listens and translates things that are going on, and then can I'd say reintroduce them in ways that everybody can understand. And so Lance was the game changer. But through Lance and our internal strategy coordinator, we were able to start chunking away at simplifying and really looking at the things that matter. I mean, our one-page strategic plan was probably the best answer to all of that. So we went from having multiple pages and a full wall and all of these different things, which is hard to manage and maintain, to having a one-page strategic plan.